What's going on, guys? Right here I have the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus. I just got it in the mail today on the 22nd of August. So I'm going to do a little quick unboxing here. So let's just get right into it. As you can see, it's got the blue S Pen with the silver tip. It says Galaxy Note 10 Plus right here. And then on the bottom of the device right there, I'm covering it up, kind of the sticker up is where your IMEI numbers and stuff are. Right there, I'm kind of covering them up. Anyways, the side of the box right here is blank. Then you turn it around, you got all your specs right there on the side there. So I don't know if y'all can see that. You can pause and read. Alright. Okay, so, and then on the side here, it's got some more writing. But anyways, it's pretty standard. This is the unlocked version. So let's just get into it. So Samsung changed the way the boxes open from the since the S10 Plus. They have it where it just lifts straight up like this. All right, you're first greeted with the phone here on the top. On the box lid, you have this, which has your SIM ejection tool, along with books, your books for your owner's manual and stuff like that. But I'm going to just stick this back inside the box here. That's the lid for now. All right, I'm going to set this off to the side. All right, so let's see here. You got a nice, oh, they made that really good here. So you got a little tab that you can pull the phone and lift the phone up now. When you lift it up, you're lifting it up from the bottom. So I have the Aura Glow, which looks really good in person. I'm not sure how it looks on camera, but everybody's talking about it don't look as good on camera as it does in person, but it's awesome. So let's set this to the side just for a second. All right, let's see what else we get in the box. Have this little cover. This is very thin this year. That's good. Then you have your 25 watt charger. I'm not sure. I think the words are that way. If it's upside down, I'll turn it around the other way. You can pause and zoom in and read if you need to. Okay, let me turn it this way, see if it was possibly upside down. I don't know. It's hard for me to see the small print. But anyways, as you can see, the charger is more rounded here, which I like. I like that a lot better. This is the 25 watt. All right, so what else we get in the box? We have, looks like tools. Yeah, I think that's all this is your USB-C to A adapter. I don't know if I want to get in this. Yep, okay, I already got it open. So yeah, this is your USB-C to there's USB-C, there's USB-A. It's a USB-C A adapter. Okay, then what, is there anything else in here? Man, they really, okay, so it opens up that way. Wow, Samsung, shake it out. Man, they make this hard to get out this year. This time. Alright, so this What is this? Is that all that is? Oh, that's your tool. That's your tool for the S Pen and stuff. I'm not gonna pull that out because I don't want to mess that up. I'm gonna just stick that back in here and close this up for now. If I can get it. In there. I ain't gonna struggle with it today. I'm tired of struggling with things. Alright, so right here you have your USB-C adapter. Dang it, man. Man, they making this stuff. Alright, so there. Alright. So this is the USB-C cable that comes with the phone. Alright. Which is USB-C on both ends. Alright, where's the other end? The other end's right there, as you can see. They're both the same. Alright. So there's that. Then you have your AKG headphones. And they are. This is a braided cable. This is not. That's weird. Anyways, I'm not going to take the cable out of here. But they hook up the same as to your USB-C port. So I'm going to stick this stuff back in the box for right now. Get the box out of the way. That's all that's in the box. So I don't have the carrier version. It's unlocked, so I had to request Samsung to put in a SIM card kit for AT&T. So they did that. But yeah, this is the phone. I got the Note 10 Plus, and I'm telling you, it looks good. I love it. And if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Comment below and let me know what you think, what I need to improve on. I know I'm just trying to get this going and working out, and I need help to improve. So yes, please subscribe, comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.